Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So, my dear children, in the last video of value education, we did the back exercise of lesson number 3, which was making friends. Now, in today's video, we will be proceeding towards new lesson of value education book, which is being good. So, I request everyone to open up page number 15 of your value education books. Now, put on today's date and day. My dear kids, don't forget to write the day on the top left corner of the page and the date on the top right corner of the page. So, the name of the lesson is Being Good. So, how can we be good to someone? By doing good, by doing what is good for them and what is good for us too. Yes, by helping someone we can be good to them. As you know, goodness always bring happiness. If we will do good, everyone around us will remain happy and we will also be happy inside us. So, now a situation has been given to you and you have to fill in the blanks. The situation says that imagine a genie comes to you and tells you to ask for any 3 wishes. What will you ask for? Now, isn't it a very magical situation? And I know all of you must have become very excited because you all are having so many of wishes to ask to tell him. Yes, so please let us read the chapter first and then fill these blanks. Okay? So, please put a pencil on the word which I am reading and move it along with me. And you also have to read along with me. So, children, now this is a story of a wishing tree and a little girl, Priyanka. Okay? So, let's read what happens. The name of the story is The Wishing Tree. Once upon a time, there lived a girl named Priyanka. She lived in a very poor village. Okay, so there was a little girl Priyanka who used to live in a very poor village. One day, when Priyanka was playing near her house, she heard some noise. It was coming from the forest. Now, when she was playing outside her house, she heard some noise coming and she realized that the noise was coming from the forest. कुछ आवाज आ रही थी. Now, she went to the forest to check what was happening. And then, when she went to the forest, she saw some woodcutters cutting trees. She went to them and pleaded them to stop. They finally stopped and went away. So, children, tell me one thing, that is it good to cut the trees? No. Trees are so beneficial to us. They give us so many things. And they are also living beings like us. So shall we cut the trees around us? Trees gives us oxygen. Trees gives us many fruits and vegetables to eat. So when Priyanka saw the woodcutters cutting the trees, she pleaded them. What is the meaning of pleaded? Requested. She requested them to stop. to not to cut the trees. And then they finally stopped and went away. So, my dear kids, if you see any such thing around us, you also should stop such things. Okay, so now let's proceed further. As Priyanka started walking back home, she heard a voice. It said, "Child, you saved my life. Ask for any 3 wishes." Now, when Priyanka was about to go home, she heard a voice. Now, where did the voice come from? Yes, the voice came from the tree, as it was a wishing tree. So, the tree told Priyanka to ask for any 3 wishes. The tree became happy because Priyanka helped him. How Priyanka helped him? She stopped the woodcutter from cutting the tree. So she saved tree's life and tree became happy. So this can happen with us too. If we will do good with someone, maybe we also get someone like this who ask us to tell them our wishes. So she thought for some time and said, "I have nothing in mind right now." Now Priyanka was a wise girl, so she didn't ask for anything useless. Okay, and she told him that she had nothing in mind right that time. The wishing tree said, "You think about it and tell me tomorrow. Come with some elders of your village." Now, the wishing tree was about to fulfill her wishes, and he told her that if she has nothing in mind today, then he gave her some time to and asked her to come tomorrow with some elders of the village. अपने विलेज में कुछ बड़े लोगों के साथ मेरे पास आना. ठीक है? Now let's proceed further. Next day, Priyanka went to the wishing tree with some elders. Now look at the picture. Now Priyanka has reached the wishing tree with some elders of the village. The wishing tree said, "Ask me for your wishes now." She said to the tree, "My first wish is that all the trees which bear fruit in my village should be loaded with fruit, so nobody in my village starves." Now, when the wishing tree told Priyanka to ask for the wishes, the first wish she asked for was that all the trees, that विलेज में जितने भी ट्री हैं उन सब फ्रूट ट्रीज को फ्रूट से भर दो. It should be loaded with the fruits. Why she asked it? Because she was, as we read, that she lived in a very poor village. Yes, okay, and maybe the villagers might not be always getting the fruits to eat. So thinking of the villagers के बारे में सोच के she asked for such a good wish. She told the tree to load all the trees of the villages with many fruits so that nobody in my village starves. What is the meaning of starves? भूखा ना रहे. Hunger. Nobody suffers with hunger. Understand? Now, let's read about her next 2 wishes. My second wish is that all the fields in my village must always give good crops. Now, second wish also she asked for others. सबके लिए ही मांगा ना. She could have asked for herself only also that make me rich, give me a good home, but she, instead of that, she's asking for others. So her second wish was to fill the fields. Fields में means खेत जहाँ पर crops grow करते हैं. To fill all the fields with good crops. Understand? And the third wish. My third wish is that all the rivers in my village should never be dry. अब उसने fruits मांग लिए, then उसने good crops मांग ली, and then she asked for the rivers कि all the rivers मेरी village में जितने भी rivers हैं they should never dry, वो कभी भी सूखे नहीं. So उससे क्या रहेगा? Village में always water supply रहेगा. See how good she was, and she asked for everybody else. And you know, the wishing tree also fulfills the good desires only. अगर आप उनसे कुछ बैड मांगोगे तो वो नहीं आपकी डिज़ायर्स पूरी करते. द विशिंग ट्री fulfills the good desire. The wishing tree granted all the 3 wishes. He fulfilled her all the 3 wishes. The villagers were happy. They thanked Priyanka and the wishing tree. So the villagers were very happy and they thanked Priyanka because they felt happy on whatever she did for them. They thanked Priyanka and the wishing tree too. Priyanka was also very happy to see the villagers happy. When we do good to someone and they are happy, we also feel happy. And children, this story is written by Sachi Jain of Bombay Scottish School. So my dear kids, today we learnt that being good always brings happiness inside us and in everybody around us. So we should always be good. And do you know that the wishing tree in India is also called as Kalpvriksh? So I hope that now all my children will be good and will try to do good with everyone. क्या पता someday you also get a genie or a wishing tree? Yes? So, my dear kids, please read this lesson at home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.